Hey, how's everyone doing today? This is going to be a rough video because I forgot my tripod slot holder from my phone. So this is rough. I gotta try and one hand this. So I got a new Locomotive. Never had one like this before. An FP45. And it's a fantasy paint scheme. All I know is the only thing I recognize from the FP45 is it has like the same front end, or it looks to be identical to the DD40, which is pretty cool. So, because I have to one hand this, it's going to be a bit rough. I mean, I didn't want to wait to make the video either. But yeah, silly me forgetting to bring stuff back and forth. Don't mind my mess on the floor. I got to tidy stuff. I haven't been running trains on my little layout for some time. Ooh, beautiful Genesis box. I love it. Open up. Ooh. I like. All right, let me move this over here. Just out of the way for a moment. I'm sorry if it's really shaky. I'm trying my best with one-handing it. Let's take a look at this beauty. Ooh, it's bright. It's very bright. I like it. I like bright. It's like a hot rod. All right, so I'm going to need two hands. So let me just pause this for a second, get it out of the clamshell, and I'll be back. Man, this thing is a beauty. The colors. Number 97. I'm not too familiar with these diesel locomotives, so it's my first one. But it's definitely a wide body. A lot of nice separately applied metal grills. Metal venting. That is awesome. Get a nice close-up of it. Oh yeah. That is awesome. Man, they did the fuel tank so shiny. Like, what a gem. I think so, anyway. Man, that is nice. All right, 1 second. I gotta plug this in so I can get it on getting tongue twisted here. I can program it a tiny little bit. All right, there we go. Gonna give him a little bit of programming, just a tad. All right, so. All right, first I'm gonna give him a road number. Quick decoder setup. So he's gonna get a short address because he's only 97. So I'm gonna go to. Yes, I'm going to select 1. And I'm going to go data. And he is going to be number 97. And I'm going to write. And it should. Couple beeps. Task completed. Task complete. Okay, cool. So now I am going to go back. There we go. Now I'm just going to go to CV Programmer. Direct on the program track. And I'm only going to do the acceleration. So I'm going to go acceleration rate 3. And CV done is going to do it 25. And go right. Task okay. Back. Oh, I went back too far. I have to go in again. Yep, direct on there. Okay, let's go. Now I'm going to go for the deceleration. And we're going to make that 20. Oh, crap. Oh, wrong button. New. Oh, we're going to go. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Oh, crap. 4. Okay, I got to go back again. I'm messing it up. My bad. Yep. All right. CB data. There we go. 25. There we go. Now I'll write it. There, we're good. There. He's done the way I want him done. All right, let's look at those fans right quick. Oh yeah, I like those fans. All right, I'm going to get them on the track here in a second. All right, so everything is going to turn on that's on the track, which is just, actually, I think it's just Montana Rail Link. I think that's all who's on here besides BNSF. All right, on we go. Oh, start up. Ooh, nice. Oh, Montana Rail Link started up too. Ooh, doesn't that sound pretty? All right, Montana Rail Link, I want to mute him. But he not muting. That's okay. All right, let 97. Let's see what we got. Oh man, he loud. Ooh, wait. Oh, short horn. Ooh, let's get some lights. Get some lights. I want light. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, let's try the horn. Let's do the horn. Heck yeah. Ditch lights are probably 5 or 6. Nope, not 5. Oh yeah, he don't have ditch lights. He came with some if I want to install them. All right, well, he needs a break-in period, so let's get him moving forward a little bit. Oh yeah. Whip him around. Oh, I forgot to plug my big light in. I am so sorry. I just realized that. Oh, he loud. I love it. He going around. A little more speed. Oh, listen to that beautiful throttle. Oh, that is excellent. All right, let's slow him down a little bit. Let him creep along. That is so cool. Awesome. I know Montana Rail Link. I'll let Montana Rail Link go. He just wants to go. He doesn't want to sit still. There we go. He like, nope. Look at this guy's horn going again. Oh man, that's so good. All right, let's go a little more speed. Give him 25% throttle. Oh, he's off. He's off. Let's do the horn as he goes by. Run by. Heck yeah. That is sweet. Short horn. Oh man, I can't wait till he's broken in a little bit. Get to pull some freight cars. Oh, he's just going to pull the BNSF, of course. Let's throttle him down a little bit. And let's try his braking. Let's give him a break. Like I say, I only got the brakes and acceleration set to 25. Actually, it's match the sound of the speed, not too bad. I think he's pretty awesome. So, how I got this guy is my good buddy David Smith. I traded him an amplifier for it. I had an amplifier that he needed, and so we did a trade. So basically, there was a locomotive I really wanted for sale, and I traded him the amplifier, and he bought the locomotive, and it came. It is pretty cool. Man, I can't get over the man, the silver's so nice. They did such a nice job on that silver. Yeah, just bloody eye candy. Bloody eye candy. I love it. Love it. Oh, we didn't see the back. I don't think we got a good shot of the back yet. So let's move them up a little bit. Oh, a little fast. Oh, come on, phone. Focus. There we go. Ooh, that looks good. That looks lovely. And of course, you'll have a backlight. There it is. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed this little video of this really cool, what is it, FP45 is he called? F45, sorry. F45 and or FP45. But which one is he? I'll have to pick up the box and look. That's alright. A lot of you know what he is. But he is a fantasy paint scheme. Yeah. Number 97. Well, I suppose I should let him break in. I'll run him forward at varying speeds for about a half hour and reverse at varying speeds for about a half hour. And then we'll pull some freight. Heck yeah, man, it's going to be awesome. Give it a couple toots. Yeah, everyone take care. I'll have another video going soon.